Adam, be honest. If you could eat one food every day for the rest of your life, what would it be?
That's tough. I mean, there are so many good foods, but maybe pizza? Yeah, pizza. It never gets boring. You can have it with cheese, veggies, pepperoni, even pineapple, okay? Maybe not pineapple for everyone, but still. What about you?
French fries. No question. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. A little salt, maybe some ketchup. Okay, now I'm hungry.
We literally just started recording and you're already thinking about food.
I know, but that's the thing, right? Food is everywhere in our lives. We think about it when we wake up. What's for breakfast? We talk about it at work. Want to grab lunch? We dream about it before bed. Should I order dessert? But when we try to talk about it in English, sometimes our brain just stops. Like, food, good, me like?
Exactly. You want to say, I'm hungry, or this tastes amazing, or even just order a coffee in a cafe, but suddenly, all your English words disappear. Poof. Gone.
So, today, let's fix that. Let's talk about food, not like in a textbook, but like real people do. Casual, friendly, natural English. Because food is more than just eating, it's connection, culture, comfort, and conversation. Hey, what are you eating?
It's a tuna sandwich from that little shop around the corner.
Nice! Is it good?
It's delicious. Really fresh. You want some?
No, thanks. I'll get my own. But seriously, thanks for offering. Simple, right? Just 4 lines. But this little conversation, what are you eating, can start so much more. Maybe you sit down together. Maybe you talk about your day. Maybe you discover you both love spicy food and become friends.
Exactly. It's everyday English small words. Big connection. And the best part? You don't need fancy grammar. Just be curious. Be kind. And maybe be a little hungry. You know, Eve, I remember when I first moved to London. I stayed with a host family. And the first morning, breakfast was a shock.
Oh no, what happened?
They served eggs, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, sausage, mushrooms, black pudding, and toast, all on one plate at 7:30 a.m.
I know. The full English breakfast is basically lunch. Served at sunrise. It's like, good morning. Here's enough food to power a small village.
Right? And I was so nervous I didn't know the words. The host mom asked, "Do you want eggs or toast?" And I panicked and just said, "Yes."
Oh no! Classic beginner mistake. You were supposed to pick one, but you said yes to both questions at once.
She looked confused for a second, then laughed and gave me both. Honestly, best breakfast ever, even if I didn't say it right.
And that's the beauty of it. You learn fast when it's real life. Mistakes don't matter as much as trying, because people understand. They've been there too. Let's pause for a second and grab some easy but super useful words from that story. We'll keep it simple, with clear meanings and real-life examples.
Now, repeat these phrases with us out loud if you can. I'm hungry. This food is delicious. I like toast for breakfast. Can I have some fries, please?
Great, and remember you can mix and match. I'm hungry, I want toast and beans. This salad is delicious. Small sentences, big confidence. All right, picture this: you walk into a cozy little restaurant. Maybe it's Italian, maybe it's a burger place, maybe it's a cafe with big windows. You sit down, and the waiter smiles and says,
Hello. What would you like to eat today?
I'd like a salad, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please.
Perfect. 1 salad and 1 orange juice. Coming right up.
Short, polite, natural. And that little phrase, I'd like, is your secret weapon. It's more polite than I want, and it sounds friendly, not demanding.
Yeah, it's like magic. I'd like a coffee. I'd like a cheeseburger. I'd like the pasta with tomato sauce. Boom. You sound like someone who's been speaking English for years.
And if you're not sure, you can always say, "Could you recommend something?" Or, "What's good here?" People love helping, especially when food is involved. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the audio for a moment and answer these questions out loud. Don't worry about perfect grammar, just speak.
And hey, if you're alone, talk to your pet, your plant, your mirror. Your brain learns faster when your mouth moves. Even if it's just whispering, pizza.
Hey, remember when you told me about that tiny pizza place in Naples?
Oh, yeah. I was starving, walked for hours in the heat. Finally found this little shop with no sign, just a red curtain. I walked in, and the guy behind the counter, big smile, flour on his apron, said, "Margarita or pepperoni?"
And you said?
I said both. He looked at me like I was crazy, then laughed and said, "Okay, American." And he made me this giant pizza, half margarita, half pepperoni. Best meal of my life.
That's the dream, see? Even when your English isn't perfect or you mix up the rules, you can still have amazing moments because food brings people together. Always. Before we wrap up, here are a few more everyday phrases you might hear or use. I'm starving equals I'm very hungry. This is so good. Can I get the bill, please? Equals can I pay? Do you have any vegetarian options? I'll have the same as her. No, thank you, I'm full. Equals I'm not hungry anymore.
And if you love something, don't just say good. Try, "This is amazing." Wow, so tasty. I could eat this every day.
Your face says it all, but your words make the moment real.
So today, we learned how to talk about food in real life, how to ask what someone's eating, how to say what you like, how to order in a restaurant, and even how to survive an English breakfast.
And we didn't just study English, we lived it. We laughed, remembered stories, practiced phrases. That's how learning sticks, not from memorizing lists, but from using words in real moments.
So, next time you eat something delicious, say it in English. Even if you're alone, tell your sandwich, "You're perfect." Tell your coffee, "You saved my morning." Talk to your ice cream, "Why are you so good?"
Yes. And if someone hears you, maybe they'll smile and say, "What are you eating?" And just like that, you're having a real English conversation. See you next time on Master English Hub. Keep eating, keep speaking, keep learning.